We know this is lemongrass. It's used a lot in Southeast Asian cooking. I'm going to show you how to make lemongrass beef and to go with rice vermicelli. These are the ingredients we need for today's recipe. Fresh limes, French shallots, garlic, carrots, cucumber, lemongrass, Vietnamese chili or Thai red chilies, mint leaves, rice vermicelli, which I haven't finished using from last week. Red skin peanuts comes in a packet. You can get this at the Asian supermarket. The red skin peanuts needs to be dry toasted. First, I need to marinate the beef, but to do that, I need to chop up some ingredients to make the sauce to go with the marination of the beef. To marinate the beef, we will need 1 Vietnamese chili, a couple of French shallots, 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 lemongrass. I'm gonna squeeze out the seeds. Next, the French shallots. With the lemongrass, I'm going to mince it until it's really fine, just like what I did with the garlic, shallots, and the chilies. Now, to do that, I need to cut off the base of the stalk and the top half and a few of the outer layers. It is the inside, the whiter part of the lemongrass that we'll be using to mince it to use to marinate the beef. Now, I have done and used the lemongrass differently for some of my recipes. I have the recipes link below the description or on the top right. There are a few ways of using the lemongrass. One is that if you're going to use it to flavor a stew or to flavor a soup or a broth, all you need to do is to smash and to bruise the stalk to release the oil and the aroma. Another way of using the lemongrass is to chop it up and use it to make a curry spice paste, which I have done it for one of my curry dish, and the link is below the description. There's the minced lemongrass. So next, what I want to do is to add the sauce. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Just 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm using cane sugar. Then what I want to do is mix them through. This rice vermicelli, I had it from last week when I made the last video. If you missed that video, I have a link below the description or on the top right of this video. Now, I have the pot of water behind me. It's already boiled and I've already turned off the heat. So what I'm going to do is to put this rice vermicelli in the hot water and let it sit for 3 minutes to cook and to soften the rice vermicelli. Okay, it's 3 minutes, so I'm gonna drain the, put down the rice vermicelli with cold water. The beef I'm using here is topside. It's recommended by the butcher, and he told me that this is good for stir fry and cut into thin strips. So what I've done is I had it in the freezer for an hour and a half. He was telling me to freeze it for 45 minutes, but I think it's such a thick cut. You know, as you can see, it's still soft. So I'm gonna try and see if I can slice it very thinly. Okay. See, it's quite thin. I have the beef thinly sliced. Now I'm going to slice it into thin strips. I'm going to stack it up, do a few at a time. So I'm going to stack this up, and this one piece to slice 2 pieces at a time, just into thin strips. I didn't realize that I have so much beef, that I bought so much beef. It's about 600 grams. So I'm gonna add another tablespoon of fish sauce. I'm gonna use my hand. Now I'm going to prepare the rest of the ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna mince the garlic and the red chili. Gonna add 1/4 cup of the fresh lime juice, an equal portion of the fish sauce, an equal portion of water, and then what I'm gonna add is 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. This is Thai palm sugar, and then mix it up. With the mint leaves, I'm just gonna use a small bunch just like this. First I'm going to do is to add some rice vermicelli. Rice vermicelli can be served at room temperature. Then I'm going to add some carrots, some cucumber on the side, add the beef, some mint leaves, peanuts, and the dressing sauce. Lemongrass beef, rice vermicelli, noodle salad. This is a Vietnamese dish called bún bò xào. I hope I pronounced this correctly. If not, forgive me to my Vietnamese viewers. This noodle salad is very healthy, filled with freshness of the carrots, cucumber, and the mint leaves. Goes very well with the lemongrass beef and the tangy sauce of sweetness, sourness, spiciness, and saltiness. If you haven't subscribed yet, remember to subscribe if you like this video and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. I'm Victor Koo. See you next week.